Birds of Feather, Billie Eilish, cover by Romualdo Reyes. I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you ain't coming to, it's always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't see me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. Now I say I never think I wasn't better. Although can't you do it? Might not be forever, but it's forever. It's even better, and I don't know why I'm crying. I don't think I could love you more. I'd not be loved, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the day in my eyes. Till the day that I die. I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe if I told you we would cook your compliments I throw you, but you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit now. Say you don't say it, you aren't polluted. Say you wanna quit, don't be stupid. And I don't know why I'm crying. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be love, but baby, I do wanna say goodbye. Still the day I die, till the light in my eyes. Till the day I die.